Hello friends, now let's talk about responsive design. We already talked about when I explain grid system. I will use in my example Flex system. In responsive design, we organize how to adjust the mobile view. We have our breakpoints in Tailwind CSS. I come here, you see that these are my breakpoints. For example, if I use MD, it applies the following code for screens 868 pixels and above. If I use LG, the code applies for screen 1024 pixels and above. This allows us to adjust layouts for different screen size easily. Okay, I use this example. I come here, I have just 3 div and then I have parent container. Normally it looks like this. Now I want the layout to be horizontal on desktop but a single column on mobile. So what I need to do? I will use Flexbox. So Flexbox Flex provides us control, row and column alignment. By default, it may use column on mobile, but we want row for desktop. I come here. If I say Flex, the default Flex direction is row. So it comes to same line. Okay, so what I want Flex direction column on mobile. I want single column on mobile. But if I do that, let's check. You see it becomes like that on desktop too. So what I need to do, I need to use these breakpoints. For example, MD Flex row. So what does it mean? For medium size or above, let's apply Flex row. It means Flex direction row. And medium size and below, for below of medium size, let's apply Flex direction column. If I do that, let's check it. As you see, in desktop view, they are on the same line, but on the mobile view, it's a single column. Alright, great. So let's apply spacing. I want to give a space between each element. So let's apply it. I come here, I say space x2, for example. If I apply it, you see I did it. But in mobile view, you see I have a little problem. Space x2, it comes here. I say normally space x0, space x0, but for medium size and above, let's apply space x2. Great. When I do that, you see there is no more space at the end. Great. So let's apply space y. Let's apply it. I come here. On the mobile view, I want to give a space between each element. I say space y3, for example. If I do that, you see I separated the elements. But in the desktop view, when I do that, what I need space y0. So I come here, I say md space y space y0. I apply this. Okay, great. I hope you understand this technique. This technique works with Flex direction, spacing, and other utility classes. By combining these classes, we can ensure that our website looks perfect on mobile, tablet, and desktop. You will use just breakpoints. Breakpoints make responsive design flexible and easy to maintain. See you in the next lesson.